come take care of our 5 chickens with me. Say hi, Pose. No, put your head back. Get out. The same for you. The same for you. Oh shoot, I'm so special. Hey girls. So what I'm doing is I'm moving their food from this small thing, because they're getting an upgrade, to this big thing, so I don't want to waste my food. This is very messy, but they eat up what's on the ground, so. I just put this dome down right on top of one of them, and I didn't even notice, and I heard her crying and I couldn't find her. I'm a terrible chicken mom. Look how traumatized she is. Hopefully this food thing is a lot easier than this water thing was, because I swear I jumped it out like 4 times before I could get it right. I'm so mad. I'm so wet right now. We went to the store for a second, so now I just went to go feed Rose and Dorothy, and now I'm gonna put the girls up in their coop, and nobody asked for it, but it's a good thing I don't care. I'm gonna tell y'all all the names of the chickens. They're my babies and my prized possessions, so. There. There. Okay, let's do all the names. So they're all Gilmore Girls names. They're a little loud. This is Lorelai. I almost forgot her name. This is Logan, which I've showed y'all before. She's the most docile. This one's the biggest. She is Emily, because she's super loud. This is Rory, this brown one right here. And she's been like rolling around the dirt. And my favorite now. This is Kirk. She is a Turken. Hold on, let me get her back.